Hi, I'm Jason Dominique, Strategic Accounts Manager for Legrand Home Systems in the United States. I want to talk to you about a couple things today. Two different products, our player portfolio products and our Legrand digital audio solutions. Starting with this, we have to look at who our customers are. Apple sells on average 1.7 million iPads a week, and to reach out to those customers, we start with a simple solution, and that's the NuVo player portfolio product. It's all app driven. The system itself can let you play, let's say for example, if you want to start a zone, you can grab it, drag up here for if you want to play music in your spa. You can play music either off of Bluetooth, an individual line source in. You can do music from TuneIn Radio, Rhapsody, Pandora, as well as music that you have stored on your own iPhone, iPad, or USB or network device. So if you want, you can drag a song over, choose an artist, choose a song, we can start playing it. Let's say if you want to listen to The Who, you can start playing on here. You can create your playlist and also add party zones where you can do multiple groups if you want and play different the same zones at the same time. Touching the system when you do your master volume, you can increase the volume up and down individually. If you want to do, let's say, the din, you can turn this up individually. So while you're listening to music off your soundtrack, off your music library, you could do Rhapsody in, let's say, what we call the left speaker right now, or let's say in the deck. So you could play music off of Rhapsody, play something off of here, we can play Pearl Jam radio. So the system can do up to 16 zones and it's scalable. It's a very modular system. The equipment itself starts with the single zone players, and that's the P100. The P100 can be run either wired or wirelessly. Using this system, if you have an Ethernet connection anywhere in your house, you simply plug this in your Ethernet and you're ready to rock and roll. Now, if you don't have an Ethernet jack in your house, you can simply connect the gateway, which is essentially our router network that would connect to your home system, your network system you have now. Once you put the gateway in place, you can take the P200 or the P100 and wirelessly place them throughout the house, connect them to speakers. The P100 has 20 watts by 2, 40 watts per zone. The P200 is 60 by 2, 120 watts per zone. It also adds Bluetooth functionality, so if you want to stream devices from other music devices via Bluetooth, you can do that with the P200. Each of these also have a USB input to plug in your music library. If you plug a USB into the P100, you can listen to it on the P200 and vice versa. Now, these are our 3 zone systems. Specifically for the custom installing dealer, these are nice because they can be rack mounted, and these are 3 zone systems. Now, the P3100 is actually our best seller. This system has 3 zones, 20 by 2, 40 watts per zone. These have line inputs and outputs. Every zone, by the way, has an individual source line input, as the line output can be selected as either fixed or variable. The P3500 is a bigger version with a little bit more power. We put a USB port on the front, which, by the way, the 3100 has 3 USBs on the back. The 3500 has 2 on the back, 1 on the front, and you have your zone reset buttons on the front for programming purposes. Now, one of the new products that we've added has been the P300, and I'll show this to you over here. How you doing, guys? Hey, can I borrow this? Sorry. The P300 is a non-powered unit. So this is designed for someone who has an existing power amplifier, a Macintosh tube amplifier in your study, and you want to stream music from SiriusXM, Rhapsody. You're bringing it into the 21st century, and also it's great for a home theater surround system to connect to your 7.1 system, and now you want to stream music and have access to your library that you have in another area of the house. Thank you. And that's